A top story this hour coming in from India. The country's top court has ordered removal of stray dogs from public spaces. These include educational institutions, hospitals, bus stands, sports complexes and even railway stations. The top court has directed that dogs be sent to designated dog shelters within 8 weeks' time. The top court also said that stray dogs must not be released back to the same place where they were picked up from. The court also directed all states and union territories, National Highway Authority and even civic bodies to remove stray cattle from national highways, state highways and roads, asking states and union territories to form highway patrol team to catch stray cattle from roads and put them in shelter houses where they will be taken care of. The top court was hearing a case which was initiated on 28th of July over a report on stray dog bites leading to rabies, particularly among children in the national capital. And my colleague Disha Shah has sent us this report on what the SC ordered.
A lot of incidents came to light where young children and even senior citizens are bitten by the stray dogs, leading to deaths and leading to even serious injuries for life. And the Supreme Court has noted that this is something which cannot happen further, and that is why all the state authorities will have to pick them up from the public areas like the bus stands, educational institutions, even government buildings for that matter, railway depots, and everywhere where the footfalls are much more, and to put them into designated shelters, and they should not be sent back. And these stray dogs, when they are picked up, they should be sterilized and vaccinated and only then be put into the dog shelter. Another important thing that these should not be limited only to the public areas, but also on the major roads and highways as well. And also periodic inspection should be done by these authorities so that they don't leave any habitat or existence behind, which can even lead to many more stray dogs coming. This is Disha Shah reporting here for WION from Mumbai.